Senior Leadership and Management Masterclasses to influence your output, growth, change and culture.
Make sure that you can again come to a logical and defensible conclusion with each of the tasks that you have been engaged in. So close the project, case closed, move on. Don't just leave it open. It's the equivalent of you having lots of software left open on your laptop, PC, and then,
So I always describe Gina, her brain now, I said, if I go to a laptop, I need to close everything down and just work on my own stuff, whereas I feel like her brain is like 10, 20 pop-ups. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, no, I'm like that with my Mac. I've got
Yes.
like 5 desktops with maybe 20 things on each one.
I've got loads open.
It's like,
I've got loads open now.
Why is it going so slowly? It's like, what's wrong with it?
I have
Yes,
two
yeah.
computers and a phone going
Yeah.
in my office at the same
Yeah.
time.
okay.
Dashboard on the wall in front of me. Yeah.
It depends on whether or not, some of the things I could share with you, I was going to share with you later. What Dale Carnegie used to say, only have on your desk, and this is going back decades now, before the use of digitization, only have on your desk that which relates to the task at hand. So only open up the software which relates to the task at hand, not the task that you did earlier, which would suggest that the case is not closed, and you still got a loose end. Well, what? But I recognise it's a loose end. I need to keep it open just in case that call comes through. Yeah, exactly. On the other hand, here, what you are doing not only with the RAM, but what you're doing with the RAM is the same as what you're doing here as well. It's all to do with working memory. Okay, why can't I think very fast at the moment? Just close a few of the softwares down in your head.
Enroll on this masterclass now to influence your output, growth, change and culture. Enroll now at nicholashill.com or call 0345 678 9900.